When I was young, growing up, I used to be surrounded with so many friends. And all of us, fam, at that time, if you would have asked me, we would have died for one another. That's how close and how thick we were. It didn't matter what the situation was, who was going through it. But as I grew up, fam, a lot of us died. A lot of us grew up, started making families, started doing different things. And the situation isn't like that. And as you grow up, you realize that you're only going to have a few people, only a few, that you can call on any given time. And they're only going to say two things: what they need to do, or how much they need to see. You're only going to have a few people like that, fam. And the crazy part about it, fam, I only have a few. Like literally, I know in my heart I only have a few. And those few that I have, fam, the sad thing about it, the reality of it, in my case, it ain't family. No kin to me at all. People I've met in my journey who have became family that I trust that much, fam. If I know I was in a bind right now, I could reach out and I know they'll make something happen. So I don't use them. We stay close and I protect them, fam, because I know they got my best interest. If I'm in the wrong, they're gonna say, hey, you slipping right here. Let's go and tighten this up. This is, yeah, let's do this. They're gonna be honest with me, fam. And you need people in your life that's gonna be honest with you, that's gonna be real with you, and that's gonna have your back. You know what I mean? You don't need people just hooraying around you, family, to your demise. You know what I'm saying? You need people to tell you the truth. So when you slipping, you can get better. You know? But the reality of it though, you only gonna have a few to tell you the truth. And my mom told me that before she passed. She said, fam, son, you're probably only gonna have one or two people. But those one or two that you might have at the end, you make sure you protect those. And 9 times out of 10, it ain't gonna be your blood. Hold on.